Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video, and let me get another table topic for the day. The table topic is, if life is so short, why do we do so many things we don't like and like so many things we don't do? Over to why don't so essentially what does it asking is, why don't we do things we like? It's a very simple question. It also very important, pertinent question that we should ask us often, and it tries to guide us what we do. My take is a bit different, and I come from the philosophy, come from the point where I don't advocate that follow your passion advice. I know it sounds weird. There are many people who just say follow your passion. But let me tell you why following your passion exact is not a good idea, is not a good advice for majority of folks. For example, and that's essentially mean why don't we do things that we like if life is so short? If you just look back and reflect in the history, just identify, just think about it, just find out that the people who invented so many things, what their backgrounds were. You would be amazed to find out that most of the people came from privileged background where they were from the royal families. They had infinite number of resources accessible to them. They were the people who created the legacy and created something for the humanity. So why are other people that who are not privileged, they are not able to do? For example, if I want to become an actor, I can't just I can't just quit my job and just try to struggle it. You have to be a little bit practical about it. I'm not saying that you should not follow your passion, but when you follow your passion, you should have enough safety net. You should have a plan B in place. Uh, if you don't, maybe you will succeed. There are many people who just had the only plan A and they got succeeded. But you don't hear the stories of so many people who did not have a plan B and they were not fortunate to be successful in plan A. Once you have the safety net, then you are able to do whatever you want to do in your life, and that should be the ultimate goal. But it doesn't mean that you stay in a job that you hate for long, that you had staying there for long. Just try to identify, just try to build a safety net, and just come out of it, and then decide what you want to do. Thank you. Over to you.